This is Micah Jefferson with Restoration 1 of West Denver and Aurora. Had a little bagel shop that had a fire last night. Apparently one of their wood paddles was on top of the stove and set on fire. So right now they're closed down because of all the smoke smell. You can see where the fire department had some ash go down here, and see a bunch of ash around here. Around here, this facility currently smells like smoke. We've already put some air scrubbers on site, and we're sending crews out to clean the entire facility and hopefully get these folks up and running as soon as possible. Going back into the kitchen, having our air scrubber up here. This little mixer full of water from the fire department. Got some dripping going on. So yeah, we'll just need to get these guys cleaned up and get them up and running hopefully pretty quick here. Thanks for your time. This is Micah Jefferson with Restoration 1 of West Denver and Aurora.